Hello, welcome to the second semester Generic English course. I am Dr. Vidya Patil, serving as Associate Professor of English at Government First Grade College for Women, Bidar. I will be guiding and assisting you during this course. In today's video, we will continue with the lesson Juliana, a 15-year-old environmental activist from Colombia. So, this is an interview which is being conducted and where Juliana is being asked about her experience of addressing the United Nations on the 1st of July 2020. Let us now begin with reading the lesson and trying to understand it. This lesson belongs to the genre of interviews. Here, an interview is being conducted of Juliana, who is a 15-year-old environmental activist from Colombia. Let us now try to find out what are the questions which are being asked and how she is replying to these questions. The first question which is being asked is, where are you from? How old are you? What activities or groups do you participate in? Tell us about you. Juliana replies that her name is Juliana Torres Marin. She was born in Bogota, Colombia. She was 15 years old. She lives with her mother, a rural teacher, and her twin sister in the mountains of the beautiful municipality known as Thames. This is the heart of the Antigua Southwest. She is currently in grade 10 and studies at the Victor Manuel Orozco Agricultural Educational Institution. She says that she likes arts, science, and music. She is involved in various activities such as the Santa Cecilia Municipal Band, where she is a baritone apprentice, and Cine Torti, an audiovisual broadcasting project. She is also a part of the School of Sustainability Pollinating the Territory, where they mainly learn about birds, and the Committee for the Environmental Defense of the Territory. This she works in coordination with the Cinturon Occidental Ambiental Western Environmental Belt, that is COA. The next question which is asked to her is, how have environmental problems affected you, your peers, and the community? According to Juliana, there are various environmental issues which have significantly affected her and the people who live in the community. One of the major problems is extractive projects, especially those which are done by the mining companies. This is because through mining, they endanger the water sources as well as the biodiversity of the region. Another issue is the monocultures, which is affecting the biodiversity of the mountains and endangering species which are representative of their region. She finally says that there are hydroelectric projects which break the balance and dynamics of the flows and tributaries of waters and rivers, which modifies the ecosystem and the social relations of the organisms that inhabit these territories. Thinking of a future where life with our indigenous traditions as we know them will not exist generates a sense of deep despair and fear in children like her. This lesson is an example of writing in the genre of interviews. So, we can notice that the interviewer begins by asking her questions about her childhood and the members of her family. Juliana replies by telling her full name and then informing the interviewer about her family members and how she lives with her mother and her twin sister. She then goes on to inform the interviewer about the kind of activities which she is involved in and also her hobbies. The next question asked by the interviewer is about how climate change has affected her. Juliana then very passionately explains the various uh, problems which they are being affected by, especially the mining activities, which has become a great threat to the environment around the territory in which she lives. So, from this particular portion of the lesson which we have read, we can understand how to frame questions when we are when we are going to conduct an interview, as well as how to answer questions of an interview. We will continue to read this lesson in the next video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.